Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if a spatial sound is appearing to revert back to Windows Sonic sounds upon rebooting or hibernating your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step ay dito na sa right side, makikita mo dito yung category. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click lang natin yan. And then ito na siya. So nandito na lahat. So ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sound. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up ito kanyang settings. So dito sa sounds ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung speakers. So kung ano man yung ginagamit mo dyan, so kailangan lang i-select yung speakers, click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong properties, so click mo lang yung properties. And then dito sa kanyang speaker properties, ang next step ay dito sa taas, i-select mo lang dito yung spatial sound, so click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang spatial sound format, so dito sa right side, click mo lang yung arrow na yan. So, nandito naman yung other option settings. So, pwedeng Windows Sonic Format pause na i-select or turn off mga kaibigan. Ito siya. Okay, so ang next step, dito naman sa advanced, click lang natin yan. And then next ay dito sa kanyang exclusive mode. So, kailangan lang natin i-uncheck tong allow applications to take exclusive control. So, uncheck. Ayan. And then next step, click mo lang tong apply. And then click mo lang tong okay. And then, click mo lang itong OK. And so, close lang natin dito. So, ang next step, dito lang sa Start menu, so right-click ka lang. And then, select mo lang dito yung Device Manager. So, dito sa Device Manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung Sounds. Okay, so Sounds, Video, and Game Controllers. Okay, so select lang natin tong audio. So, click mo lang yan. And then, right-click. And then, click mo lang tong update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang actions na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. Okay, so iselect lang natin tong search automatically. So click lang natin yan. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so next step is close lang natin tong device manager. So dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. I-click mo lang siya. So, ganun na po kasimple on how to fix spatial sound reverting to Windows Sonic on Windows. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.